Alright guys, another S Group daily review video number 130. We got our earnings today. Go to the finance page real quick here. Let you guys see what we earned today. 0.37, so I made about $77, $78, something like that. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we are going to do the combine in this video. We're going to combine the investments here and see we're at 28 days. So I'm going to check all these three, which I can actually do this. And I'm going to click combine deposits. They're all going to combine into one. And then we're going to take the money and we're going to do it, reinvest some of the funds here, guys. So I'm going to do combine deposits. Type in the code here. Should be coming up momentarily on my screen. 01, where is it here? There it is, 014508. Here we go, guys. Alright, there we go. As you see at the top right, I have all the funds that got transferred over here, $1,456.60. That's what I have to work with, guys. If we go down to the bottom here, we'll see the total deposited amount is now one giant chunk, 25,200. So now what we're going to do, we're going to make an investment here, guys. So I'm going to go to the finance section. And actually, sorry, the investment section. And I'm going to make an $800 investment here. Oh, there we go. Sorry about that. And I'm going to type $800 in here. Actually, I just go like this. $800. It's going to cost me $840. So I'm going to enter in the code here again to make this investment. This is going to take me to $26,000, guys. Really excited about this. So 3, 4, 6. There we go. And bada boom, bada bing, that has been done, at least from what I can see here. Yeah, as you see, my balance at the top right went down to $616. And there we go, guys, $26,000. Oh, never been this high in the system, so this is a monumental time. And going to go back to my investment section here. And okay, coming down here, there we go, guys. So I got my $25,200 investment, $800 investment. Can just turn the auto reinvest off, which doesn't really matter. But anyways, I'm reset back to zero. So yeah, so I just have another 28 more days to go, and I'll do the exact same thing, which is, like I said, I'm going to do every 28 days. So I just want to make this quick video for you guys. This money at the top, I'm going to do a withdrawal probably on Friday. So I have money for the weekend and for the rest of the week. And yeah, so that is pretty much the sum of this video here, guys. I just want to do this for you. This little X that you see at the bottom here, for this new investment, this will actually go away after about 5-10 minutes, I noticed. I guess they just do that to protect the investment, just in case if you're clicking automatically, I think. So yeah, it was a good earning day today, guys. Look at this, monthly income has been reset back to zero. So man, just like that, 1,400 something gone from here. Went to the top here, took 800. So now a remainder of 616. So over 2 weeks, I'm going to take 300, probably $300 on Friday, take it out, and then 2 weeks from then, take another 300, take it out. And so that way I have money. But anyways, guys, I'm excited. I'm at 26,000. I'm getting into my 5-minute daily review video. Wanted to show you guys this this procedure here so that you can see everything is real and legit. The money I have at the top, I have access to full right, but I'm going to take it out on Friday. So that's just when I want to have the money. It's just my own personal preference. But yeah, so if you guys are just seeing this video for the first time or just looking into S Group, make sure you click on the sign up link down below. You can join my team, and yeah, you can be part of this money making opportunity, guys. Make passive income. So 26,000, getting now closer and closer to 50,000. That's the next goal. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to my channel. So that, yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. See you guys in the next one.